Alright, we'll give that a minute to load, but man, insane. Look at this up here. That is crazy. And then you have the aerosols coming from the planes. Heavy aerosols in Eureka going all the way up through Oregon. Right on up through Oregon. Huge spraying operations all through southern Oregon. Look at these spraying operations around Reno, Carson City. Super grid right there over the water. Look, they're spraying the forest. We've seen this before the Paradise Fires. So this is what we got to watch. We got to watch heavy aerosols in the mountainous regions, because that's where the fires are going to be, unless they try to pull off some kind of city fires where it burns all the cars up and down the grass. Heavy aerosols over San Francisco, out off the coast. What is this thing? So you got heavy aerosols going right here. So you got cloud seeding operations here off the west coast. And like I said, we got to watch these areas that they're really spraying heavy, because they're loading it up right now with the fire accelerants, aluminum, you know, it's almost like thermite. So they're going to have to dump tons of particulates because they got all the rain, they got all the snow. Look, you can still see the snow on the mountains. So since they're not in a drought, there shouldn't be a bunch of fires. But that's not the way it works in the New World Order. Look at all the fires up here in Canada. They did the same thing. They sprayed. We watched them spray, and then we watched all the fires flare up right after the spraying. Same up here in Alaska. In fact, they're still spraying up here. We just kind of look around here. I tried, you know, couldn't pick up a whole lot on this map with the, you know, you only got so many layers to work with here. So we're not going to really be able to pick up any of the aerosols that were deployed on this. That's why we had to go to the RAM slider.
To be trapped in your full stop.